In one of our videos, we showed you how to make toaster strudel icing using pre-made puff pastry dough. Check the description below for a link to watch this video. In this video, we are going to show you how to make homemade puff pastry dough. The process of making a puff pastry dough is time-consuming and rigorous. However, making your dough gives you the opportunity to make one that suits your taste. This homemade puff pastry dough recipe is also called the French puff pastry recipe. What you'll need: 1 cup all-purpose flour 125 grams, 1/4 teaspoon fine salt, 10 teaspoons cold high-quality butter, 1/3 cup freezing water. Here are the steps to follow. 1. Add flour and salt in a medium-sized bowl and stir until it is thoroughly mixed. 2. Add butter to the flour bowl. Then use pastry blender to cut the butter into the flour dough. Continue until the butter is in uniform sizes like the size of a pea. 3. Create a hole in the middle of the dough and pour in all the water a little at a time. 4. Sprinkle flour on a cutting board and place the dough on it. Then pat the dough into a rough square. You will notice bits of butter that may seem too dry. Not to worry, it will mix together with each roll, so do not add water to it. 5. Flour a rolling pin and roll the dough into a rectangle shape 10 inches long. Precision is not really needed here. 6. Fold the bottom third of the dough over the center of the dough. Then fold the upper third of the dough over the center of the dough too. Rotate it and repeat the process. Always use additional flour to the dough as required to prevent it from sticking. 7. Roll out dough and turn it at least 6 or 7 times. 8. When this is done, wrap it in a plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 1 hour or overnight. You can also allow the dough to be frozen too for as long you want. 9. Remove from the refrigerator when you are ready to make your toaster strudel. Simply roll out the flour for your toaster strudel and bake. Here's what you will need to make a simple vanilla icing or glaze. 3/4 cup icing or powdered sugar. 1 teaspoon half and half cream. 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1. Put all ingredients inside a small mixing bowl. Then mix thoroughly. 2. Put the mixture in the refrigerator until it thickens a little. 3. When you want to use the mixture, remove it from the refrigerator. 4. Beat up the mixture to make it thinner and easy to pour. If the mixture is too hard, add a small quantity of half and half cream to it. Did you find this video helpful? Kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on your notifications so you'll be the first to see our updates. Also, check the description below for more details. And visit our website, zimtoasters.com, for more content like this. Thanks for watching.